Hi everyone. Now today my homework is sound, TS sound, and and one. Practice saying the following word as beginning of work. I'll start. Thanks, thanks. Thick, thick. Thunder, thunder. Thursday, 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 Thursday. Think, think. Is the middle of work, of word, words. And think, and think, and think. Bath mat, bath mat. Toothpick, 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 toothpick. Athletic, athletic, athletic. Mouthwash, 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 mouthwash. At the end of words. Bath, bath. North, north. Beneath, beneath. Forth, forth. South, south, south. To practice saying the following tongue twister. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought it's not the thought that I thought. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought a thought. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought. B is the sound. At the end, beginning of words. The, that, they, them, there, this, those, these, is the middle of words. Loathing, need, never, mother, another, another. Weather, northern, at the end of words. Smooth, bathe, breathe, To practice saying the following dialogue. This is best one. This is best one. This is best one. Which computer should I get? Which computer should I get? Look at this one. This one. I think this is the best one. Really? But that one over there looks nice too. Yes. But I think this one's better. This one's better. This is best one. This is best one. Are you sure? Yes. Yes. This is best one. Okay, I will buy it. I'll buy it. Which computer should I get? Look at this one. This one. I think this is the best one. Really? But that one over there looks nice too. Yes, but I think this one's better. This is best one. This is best one. Are you sure? Yes, this is best one. Okay, I'll buy it. The end. Goodbye and see you again.